secrets on how to stay in bikini shape all summer long.
Hi,
Jackie.
thank you for having me.
You know, a lot of people cram getting into shape for the summer months, but it's hard to keep that going. So what are some of your tips for actually staying in shape?
One, just changing up your music every single week, getting something that excites your brain, tricks your brain into wanting to work out. That's number one.
That's a great tip.
Number two is to always create a journal for yourself, a workout plan. So I keep a little booklet. Even to this day, after years and years of training, I get excited and I'll write my program for the following week in my book, and then I go and I have a new plan every day that I can follow, and that's really key, is just to have a plan.
I love that. I love that. So what are your 2 to 3 top moves for staying in bikini shape?
I would say like a nice deep squat with weights, and women, I want you to grab 15-pound weights, really do it, and then follow that with jump squats. So you're not done. So as soon as you feel like, oh my gosh, I can't lift myself up again, you go into jump squats and just do about 10 of those. Then you get down and you do your push-ups. And you should go nice and low and do military style push-ups. That's not on your knees, that's regular style. Do push-ups, and then you're not done. I want you to go right into like a drop, I call it a plank, where you're in a plank position and you literally twist your body and drop your knee to the ground. And you alternate, so you're still holding that plank position.
You're hardcore, Jackie.
Movement, I know, I like it.
That's pretty hardcore. I love it. What are some of your healthy eating tips for summer?
You have to know your own lifestyle. If you like to go out with your friends, if you can only hold out for 5 days without having a hamburger and fries, then that is you.
Right.
So the key is to eat clean for 5 days and then allow yourself a treat meal on the 6th day and a treat meal on the 7th day. But again, plan it.
So if there's one thing to keep in mind for staying in bikini shape during the summer, what would you say?
It is 75 to 80% about diet. It's really just decreasing your alcohol. If you're used to having 2 glasses of wine, cut it down to 1. Getting rid of everything white, so no white flours, no white rices. That means at sushi you need to do brown rice or just, soy paper, no rice. And getting rid of like processed crackers and processed foods.
Right.
Go to an organic diet wherever possible, especially with your dairy and your meat.
Yeah, and hydrate. Right?
And hydrate.
Thanks so much, Jackie.
Thank you for having me.
We'll see you next time on Fit Sugar TV.